Hi, I'm Sheldon Ray, Product Manager of Advanced Technology Products here at Lincoln Electric, and I'm standing with Paige Hoos, one of our application engineering technologists here in Lincoln Electric, San Diego. So what we're going to be talking about today is our brand new HELIX M627 weld head. Now this is a simple designed clamp-on weld head that is designed to make welding pipe between 1.5 inches all the way up to 6 inches very easy and very simple. What we're going to be welding on today is some 4-inch heavy wall stainless steel pipe coupons. Now these pipe coupons feature a J-bevel prep. Now the J-bevel with the two pieces together create a U-groove with a closed root. So while she gets that set up, let's talk about the power source behind this. So we're going to be welding with our S500 power wave. Now this is also going to be controlled by our Apex 30S, and it's going to utilize our CoolArc 55S smart cooler. Now all of this interfaces with our Apex TIG pendant. Now this pendant features a very high resolution display and a color LCD that allows it to be seen from a distance and allows you to control your passes from the first pass all the way through your fill and cap with only one single button pressed between them to change between those pass types. So I'm going to hand this off to Paige so you can get this configured. Now when you look at the HELIX M627, you'll notice that there is an onboard feeder. And what's feeding into that right now is our 316L orbital TIG wire. Now this is precision layer wound wire designed specifically for these type of applications to ensure that you get a complete solution capable of delivering very high quality welds.
So right now I center my tungsten when I mount the head, and then I pre-wrap my cable so it naturally unwraps as we weld in the forward direction. And I already put the root in this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and line up for my first fill pass. Ready? Eyeball.
So Paige is well on her way to getting that fill pass put in. Now when she's done, what we're looking at is what we're going to achieve here. A very nice, clean penetration even throughout the entire pipe diameter, and we're also going to end up with this very beautiful stainless weave pattern for the cap. For more information on the M627 and our other mechanized solutions, go to mechanized.lincolnelectric.com.